Good morning to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. Cha bengithi ngeke ngicomment but I have to. The song Abondli, guys, the video Abondli, the videos of Abondli. I'm not somebody who follow my trends ne guys a lot of times, but cha nami ngijoinile le. You know why ngijoinile? As people siyathanda ukuhlekana not knowing situations. Iphume kamnandi nje yaphuma women's weekend. Cha angazi ngikhululekile emoyeni. One reason is being I think vindicated myself the song. Sihleli phezu kwezinto guys, kunabantu who have been waiting for ikarma to respond for 50 years. Umzali engekho present azashona umzali abuye sekahluphe emaphupheni sibuze thina ukuthi bapha bakabo baba bantu baba never cared. So mina for me this particular song, I think it was just the universe trying to respond. Amathonga namadlozi abantu trying to respond, because yes, we are matured enough ukuthi umuntu simiyekile, umuntu wangakunceda ngengane ube nengane. Some of us never even wanted to go to a maintenance court. Umuntu umiyeke uthi ngizozibona nengane yami. But guys, let's talk about the pain. Let's talk about the mental challenges and illnesses that came from all of this, the impact it has on a child. Ma ungakazi experience umntwana crash bafuna ama-parents ayi-2 because it's graduation, and mawuthi uyama as a mother lapha stage ungazi ukuthi uzoyi-explaina kanjani the situation, because uyababona abanye abantwana bame nabo bababo nabo mamabo. And then the question is, yini wrong ngami? There are people who are still sitting on that trauma and question ukuthi what was wrong with me. Khona ingane ikhule naleyo pain, and some of them even lost confidence, the self-esteem, because Baba wasn't present. It's not only about ukondla, guys. If we're going to ask each other about social grant, if ungekho informed, let me tell you, social grant is on a lot of is under pressure. Social grant is under strains. Why is this? Because people banale mentality yokuthi mos umntwana uyahola. Guys, I think imali umntwana is 500, and I think the 500 only pays for transport. Futhi abayiya shorter nokushorta. So what are you talking about? And nalento ukuthi you know, when I look at all those videos and pictures, into engiqaka ukuthi all of these people are capable people. All of them uyababona ukuthi capable lo muntu right, but because the mindset imtshela ukuthi it's not my responsibility until umntwana succeed abe yini in life bese kayavela sekawubaba omkhulu. And then some people questioned ukuthi abantu besifazane a lot, saying yeah, kwenziwa ama-DNA abantu besifazane basile. At some point there was a question nge-morality ne-integrity yomuntu wesifazane ne-value yomuntu wesifazane ukuthi ya uma uzikhulisela abantwana bakho abayi-2 ya umuntu onabantwana abayi-2 akana-value nani. But kuyavela manje, you know what bothers me the most? What bothers me the most is that labantu laba abo-doctor, motivational speakers guys, abantu aba-represent aba-leadership positions, abantu who are meant to serve and protect. Wow. Guys, go and watch those pictures and tell me ukuthi lo muntu really benyikaza khona uku-maintain umntanakhe to do something for the child. So I'm very much in support of this Abondli video, guys. I don't wanna lie, because wow, as a spiritualist, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi fanele udefende ithonga lakabo baba now, because umuntu uyakubuza ukuthi bese akanyenzelanga nix, and now you have to justify, and some things cannot be justified, guys. Fanele ukuthi ujustify ukuthi no, upresent manje, he wants your forgiveness, but not, it's tiring. And mongathi uyabheka abazali bethu have gone through so much lento challenges and hardship. Guys, if you've never met umuntu, whether use Pick n Pay, Shoprite, Box, however, uthola umama abala ahlanganisa amasenti ngezandla ume ayilini yejam ne peanut butter wondering ukuthi athathe yiphi because akakwazi isimo asivuma ukuthi athathe zombili, wondering ngendaba yesikhaftini ukuthi le peanut butter guys, you've never seen things. If ungakazi uhlangane nogogo who is struggling so much to just make ends meet ukusupport abazukulu because umama is no more and ubaba is nowhere to be found. You know, when a child asks you ukuthi uthola umntwana abuza umzali ogulayo ukuthi manje mama mawungishiya ngizoba yi-orphan, uyabona ukuthi lento is deep, the pain is going deep ukuthi nkosi yami unyaka uzungilinge ngaleyo ndlela. You know when I was sick, guys, my son said to me, mama you cannot leave. No guys, ibhlungu. If you've never experienced it as a woman, let's stop justifying and protecting, guys. If undisimo kahlangabezana naso. Yes, we not say, nobody in those videos said nobody said that, but I don't understand the threats behind all yonke lezi zinto ukuthi. And mina, for me, I also feel like it's a wake up call, because uzohlangana nomuntu expecting that person to love your kids while he doesn't love his own, expecting to uhlangana nomuntu ozothanda ingane zakho because you've been praying and partnering for umuntu ozothanda ingane zakho, unga understand ukuthi lo muntu ohlangana naye vele akathande zakhe. So it's a wake up call nakuba nama choices esiwayenzayo. It's a wake up call futhi nokuthi we've been judged so much as if irresponsibility yomuntu oyi-one or when you were reckless. Mina, I just support it, guys. I don't wanna lie. Abantu, they are struggling with mental illnesses out there. If you've never experienced a woman who's depressed because of the pain of trying so hard to provide ama basic stuff for abantwana bakho, but then you can't. Basic. We're talking about bread nempupula now. We're not talking about the luxury but keep a boy na. So can you just imagine mawuzokhula wazi ukuthi I've never been to a zoo. I think generation yethu have tried ukuthi to cover up those spaces. If you've never had the challenge of having to play two roles, ubomama ubobaba same time, because you avoiding that thing yokuthi angifuna ifile ukuthi akekho yi-one. You know, my late daughter said to me, siya ku graduation umntana, I'm being worried ukuthi the father was not present. She said to me, mom, and she was 14 then, what, he will never fill that gap. And I said, why? What? Because he's 3 and we play a major role. So anyeke azayibone naleyo nto, as long khona mina khona wena anyeke ayibone. And that for me was healing enough. What I will try by all means ukuthi he doesn't feel that. So guys, mina, that's why I'm saying yazi ezinye izinto ungayibukeli kude, because now you can provide, now usase employed and you are able to do things, because izinto ziyashintsha. Impilo can change in 2 minutes. Into mayenzakala omunye umuntu ayenzeki ngoba islima. Now people are feeling threatened ukuthi uphumile ngaso sikhathi you were living a lavish life, ukhona wena noma ugcokile uhamba uzibuka, only to find ukuthi vele you are never accountable and responsible, so that is why you can afford ukuzibuka. And yet abantu who stepped in and being stepfathers, they are also called names. Yo badlisiwe, mina I can never do that. Umuntu uthi mina I can never do that, ushushiye zakhe ingane angazondli. Mina I can never marry umuntu onabantwana, mina angeke ngizale nomuntu onabantwana. Usho because akekho umuntu onesazela njengenhliziyo enecala. Yo, because now you're trying to justify lento yiyo. They've been labeled labantu who stepped in and want to be present fathers, and when uthole thuku umntana abantu etshelwa amagama this and that, because we are judgmental. We are judgmental at the same time we're doing wrong. Maso expose iwe futhi so go wrong futhi to expose you. Why guys? No, double standards. No, abantu aba expose guys. Maybe we are protecting the next generations. Maybe we are protecting our hearts now. but into engithandayo akekho nomuntu wesifazane engike ngamuzwa ethi hayi I'm forcing him ukuthi no, akekho umuntu okhuluma ngokuthi ngifuna mangazange ukwenze for 25 years, guys, believe me, it's not expected. If you've never done it for the first, second, third year, it's not expected. So manje sekuzoba ngathi cabanga nje, you were convincing everybody ukuthi up there. You were motivating people, telling people ukuthi how good it is to be a good leader, a good lead by example, all of this. Only to find ukuthi now yourself negwegwe. No, man. I mean, I just feel good. It was a blessing this weekend. Thank you.